What's up, sports fans? My name is Michael Cox. This is Ryan Cronstrom. Ryan is the owner of this beautiful Bronco that we built in my shop, Factory BS. So we're going to give you a little tour around it. We haven't showed anybody this truck outside of our friends that have come and taken a look at it. So we're excited to show you.
Yeah!
Oh, we're rolling? Okay, we're rolling, we're doing this. All right, Ryan, you got some big tires here. What size are they?
40 inches.
And tell us about these wheels.
They're KMCs.
Okay.
Beadlocks.
Yeah, okay.
And trophy truck lugs.
Okay, so yeah, we got a trophy truck hub. We got a big Dana 44 TTB suspension. And
Full tube chassis.
full tube chassis that we designed and built in-house. And we got giant 4.5-inch king shocks on this bad girl. We'll give you a shot from the top. From the top, make it drop. This is some wet ass pussy. And under here, tell them about your engine, Ryan.
It's an LSX 454. Stock.
It's pretty much stock. Yeah, we put some
pretty much stock. Some valves. What else did we do, Mike?
Oh, you're still filming. We don't have audio interference here? This is okay? All right. In the engine, we got some upgraded push rods, valve springs, and valve retainers. Other than that, it's mostly a stock LSX 454.
What do you think about that one right there?
That looks sick.
Yeah, it's nice. I even like the touch of the Bronco and the visor in the front.
Yeah.
Makes me jealous.
Visor's pretty player.
Yeah, dude, that's a fucking good flex.
Visor's pretty player.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So you can see we designed and built all this stuff. It's a tube chassis all the way through. It's hard to see now because now it's got this nice factory Calypso metallic green color on the body. But before it had that on the body panels, you could see what was left from Ford, which is only the cab. So we'll get into that now. I'll show you the cab. So this portion here is what's original from the car. You can see in the door jambs, you can see the paint, where the paint stops. That's where we took over and everything's built from there. So it's a fully welded, fully sheet metal truck, sheet metal frame rail truck, and it's quite the performer. If you've seen it jumping around, and Ryan's quite the wheelman, so
Thank you, Michael.
couldn't have anyone better driving it.
Yeah.
Cut the clip. Yeah.
Honestly, I hate doing these videos because I feel like it's very boring, but I understand that people like seeing this stuff and talking about it. I'm just not the greatest at it, so I'll continue going here. But we got carbon fiber door panels, carbon fiber dash. You can see all these removable panels to get to the transmission. Makes for easy service. And yeah, I mean, we did just about everything in house. We plumbed it, we wired it, we designed it, we built it. It takes a team at the shop. We got the greatest guys at the shop, and you know,
We just wanted to build something simple and be able to like service it too, to where it's not complicated, right?
Yeah, easy to work on.
Easy to work on.
Easy to work on.
Because like in the beginning of this build, I had it to where it was very complicated and just too overthought. And when Mike and I started discussing it, I just wanted to be very serviceable, where if I had to work on it out in the field, like out in the desert or wherever we're going, I'd be able to. And he did a great job.
Thanks, Ryan. And believe it or not, we're still friends after this multi-year experience, so that's pretty good.
Like, really good friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been great.
Yeah.
Boom. Big
Boom.
explosion, edit guy. All right, you want to look at the back? Go to the back. All right. There's a little bit of sand in it now after being in the sand dunes.
Oh, too much. Oh.
So there we go. We got a big 40-inch tire on a big swinging spare thing. Ties in the chassis up here. Of course, we got aircraft hardware holding it together. We have a factory tailgate with power window motor, but the tailgate is made out of fiberglass. So this thing's a lot lighter than a factory one. And then in here, we got our fluids, spare belt, that kind of stuff. And you can see the fuel tank beyond that. And here we got a fire suppression.
Front and rear.
Yep, there's another one under the dash that sprays the engine and the drivers, and this one concentrates solely on the fuel tank.
Yeah, we got 3 bottles total in here.
Yeah.
Just in case. You just never know. And then cooler. For soda pop.
The most important part.
Yeah.
And then it's serviceable. You just take these guys out, and then this guy comes out like that.
You can put ice in it a bit quicker.
This little guy just keys into that front piece and then just clamshell it down. So that's pretty cool, you know. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to do it right now.
Then we just got a toolbox on the side where it's just, you know, we used all the
There's random tools in there.
tools in there. And
then there's another one over there.
yeah.
Spare drive shaft. Yeah, that kind of stuff. This is where you put the gas. You know, you just do that, and then you do that, and you put the gas in there. And so there you go. There's a quick walk around of Ryan Cumstum's Bronco.
Hold on, we gotta show them the shifter.
What's the travel?
Oh, so the front has 21 inches of travel, and the rear has 26 or 28. Something
Okay.
like that. Yeah.
How much you weigh?
I am 235.
Okay.
Yep.
What about the truck?
Oh,
It's top secret.
6,600.
666.
Yeah.
6 to 9.
3.6.
Mafia.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's check out the shifter.
What year is the truck?
95 Bronco.
Is it the same year that OJ drove, or
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
R.I.P.
Sure it is. R.I.P.
So this is Ryan's favorite part. Show him. Show me your favorite part.
Well, I just put a new sticker on there.
What do you want to show him?
Yep, that is, I like grabbing that a lot. That's my favorite part to grab out every day. I drive it.
Interior super clean.
All carbon bits. Third member seat.
What's your favorite part, Ryan?
The gas pedal.
The gas pedal?
Yeah.
Gas pedal's pretty tight.
Yeah, gas pedal's my favorite.
All right, I'll show you a couple of my favorite parts now. Because I looked at this thing for felt like 17 years, but it was like 3. So I'll show them to you now. All right. One of the dumbest things on the car, but also necessary, is the headlight bucket.
Yeah.
So we have So when I say we designed every part on this car, we really did. So down to the headlight bucket. So this is like a stainless steel. It rotates in all these directions, and it clamshells this light. And the light is like kind of a universal light you can just get on Amazon, but the light's cool because it's got high, low, blinker, and a running light all built in. So we didn't have to have like a bunch of little KC lights and everything over the front end to do those couple functions that we needed to have a street legal light. So the headlight bucket allowed us to mount it in there, and that's one of my favorite parts. Another one of my favorite parts is the brake reservoirs. Those are actually King shock reservoirs that we cut apart and made the brake reservoirs, so those are cool. I like those.
Yeah, we're the first ones to come out with that.
They're kind of hard to see in there, but
Yeah.
I'll give you any more light. And then probably finally, other favorite part that was a total royal pain in the dick is this centerpiece on the hood.
Yeah.
So we made this centerpiece out of aluminum. So all these parts were cut and fabricated and welded together. And then we took that part off the car, sent it to a shop, and they made a mold off of it so they can make the part out of carbon fiber. So that's one of our other favorite parts. You probably got to go to the other side to see it when we shut the hood, but there you can see what it does there. And the cooling system of this truck is really efficient because of the way that it is, and the way that this is just makes it efficient and the truck a little more aerodynamic. So yeah, so far, I mean, the thing works good. It stays cool, and Ryan's a ripper. So we're all very happy. That's the name of the game.
Hi.
He's happy. I don't force him to tell him he's happy. Happy.
Gilmore.
So yeah. Also, this is like a custom part. This is a, you can see if you come up close here. We shaved the cowl. We mirrored the windshield wipers, because originally there's one windshield wiper here and one about, let's say, there. Both windshield wipers do this. The way they are now, they go like this, something like that. And so yeah, we made this part out of metal, and then same thing, sent it off, had a mold made. So now this cowl with these holes and this hole and that hole, and then it's shaved. This is originally perforated. That's no longer original, more custom stuff. Along with all the fenders and the hood, everything else, it's all custom body work. So there you go. Full on walk around Ryan Cronstrom's Ford Bronco. Thanks, guys.
Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye.
Oh, I gotta say one last thing. Sorry, Ryan's dad. I don't want to disrespect your family. Cronstrom.
There you go.
Thanks, Ryan Cronstrom, for letting us build you this truck.
You're welcome.
One more time. Cronstrom.
Cronstrom. Thank you, Ryan Cronstrom, for letting us build you this truck. It can't be undone. Has it been a pain in your ass your entire life? No? No. Just me? Got to hear it, then stops. Is like, I'm going to be friends with that guy.
I don't want to make you insecure about yourself right now. Just don't let that down. Don't let you...